All right, I'm going to just read the problem and write some equations. Note this word of means multiplication. So 25% of n, so 0.25 of n times n equals 37.5% of m, and change that to a decimal, that's 0.375. So 0.375 m. And we're trying to figure out what is 12n over m. So what I'm going to do is take this equation and solve for n or m and plug it in here, okay, and see if that gives me an answer that's listed. So n equals 0.375 m divided by 0.25. I could have solved for n or m, it doesn't matter, okay? Now, I don't like those decimals. I'm going to multiply the top by 1,000 and the bottom by 1,000, but let's call that 1,100 times 10 in the bottom, and I'll show you why in a minute. If you multiply the top by 1,000, that's going to move that decimal 3 places to the right. So now I've got a whole number, which I can deal with a lot better than I can a decimal. And then multiply the 100 times the 0.25, and it's going to give me a 25, and I still got that 10 left over. So now what I'm going to do is just reduce my fraction. So 25 will go into 375. Let's see, 4, 4, 12, 15 times. But I still have that 10 in the bottom. But that reduced by 5 over 15, 3m over 2. So now let's take this in. So I've got 12 times 3m over 2 over m. So on the top, 212 6 times, that leaves me 18m over m, and the m's cancel, and I'm left with 18.